The dirty air filter warning light in modern vehicles is an important indicator that your engine's air filter needs attention. Understanding what this warning means and why it appears can help you maintain your vehicle's performance and avoid costly repairs. Modern vehicles use sophisticated detection systems to monitor air filter condition. These systems include airflow sensors that measure pressure differential across the filter, mass airflow sensors that detect reduced airflow, and engine performance monitoring that identifies patterns consistent with dirty filters. The warning light behavior tells you how urgent the situation is. A solid light typically means the filter needs attention soon, while a flashing light indicates urgent replacement is required and may activate the engine's protection mode to prevent damage. Here's the difference between a clean and dirty air filter. The clean filter on the right allows proper airflow, while the dirty filter on the left restricts airflow and triggers the warning system. Ignoring the air filter warning can have serious consequences. According to EPA studies, a dirty filter decreases fuel efficiency by 6 to 11%. In 23% of cases, ignoring the warning leads to mass airflow sensor failure within 5,000 miles, which is a costly repair. Therefore, addressing the air filter warning light promptly is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. A simple filter replacement can prevent expensive repairs and keep your engine running efficiently. Many vehicles offer manual reset procedures that don't require expensive diagnostic scanners. There are three main approaches you can try at home. The first method involves multi-button combinations using your ignition, accelerator, and brake pedals in specific sequences. This varies by manufacturer, but typically involves turning the ignition on and off while holding certain pedals. The second method uses your vehicle's infotainment system. Many modern cars have maintenance menus where you can reset service indicators directly through the touchscreen interface. The third method involves hidden service modes, accessible through specific button sequences on your dashboard. These are often undocumented, but can be found in owner forums for your specific vehicle model. However, before attempting any reset procedure, it's absolutely crucial that you inspect or replace the actual air filter. Resetting the light without addressing the underlying problem can damage your engine. After performing a reset, you need to verify that it worked properly. There are three key indicators to check: improved engine idle quality, the warning light staying off after multiple start cycles, and no new warning codes appearing. If the warning light returns within 1,000 miles, this indicates a more serious problem that requires professional diagnosis. Don't keep resetting the light repeatedly, as this can mask important engine issues. Finally, keep in mind the legal and warranty implications. Some regions have strict requirements for maintaining emission control systems, and improper maintenance procedures can void your vehicle's warranty. Always follow manufacturer guidelines when possible.